Today, we'll learn how to work on two projects simultaneously using dynamic project switching. This feature allows you to easily switch between multiple projects without having to close and reopen them manually. To enable this, go to File menu and then choose Project Manager. Here you'll see a list of your available projects. Right-click on any project and select Dynamic Project Switching. Once enabled, open one of the projects you want to work on. Now, at the top of the interface, just above the preview window, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you switch between all the projects that are currently open. Simply select the project you want to work on, and DaVinci Resolve will instantly switch to it without closing the previous one. This is a great way to copy elements, compare timelines, or multitask between different edits. Keep in mind that dynamic project switching uses system memory, so it's best to use it on a system with good performance. That's it. You can now seamlessly work on multiple projects at once. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips.